Do you want to connect your computer to a TP-Link router? Then you are in the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Wired connection. If you want to set up a wired connection, then first disable the Wi-Fi on your computer to avoid any interference during the wired connection setup. Use an Ethernet cable to connect your computer to the router's LAN port. Ensure that the Ethernet cable is securely plugged in on both ends. Method 2. Wireless connection. Locate the SSID, the network name, and wireless password printed on the label at the bottom of the router. Click on the network icon on your computer or go to the Wi-Fi settings on your smart device. From the list of available networks, select the SSID of your router. Enter the wireless password to connect to the network. Method 3. Use the WPS button. You can connect wireless devices that support WPS, such as Android phones, tablets, and most USB network cards, to your router using the WPS button. Note that the WPS is not supported by iOS devices. Now here is how to use the WPS button to connect the wireless devices to the router. The WPS function cannot be configured if the router's wireless function is disabled. Additionally, WPS will be disabled if your wireless encryption is set to WEP. Ensure the wireless function is enabled and configured with appropriate encryption before setting up WPS. And there you have it, the ways to connect your router to the computer. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix the issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.